Hello everyone, thought I'd do a quick little video here on the V8. I was running this thing the other day and it just suddenly stopped. And it's pretty much completely locked up. Do it so much that it stops. This is pretty common. I thought I'd do a teardown and show you guys the issue. Okay, I think it's coming from this side of the engine, so I've gotten this part loose. I have not taken this apart yet. And that's the other issue. That is not supposed to be like that. Great. Yep, it broke. First ever rod failure I've had. It's always been the piston, but this time it was not. Oh boy, it's not gonna be good. Okay, so I got the other part of the block off, and as you can see, there's our problem. Got anything to get that out with? Yes, I do. Hang on a second. Can't really do two things at once here. So it did, in fact, snap in half. There's the issue. Snapped clean in half. That is a clean break. Great. Well, looks like the V8's going to be out of service for a while. See you guys in the next one.